The real question is, what are you willing to give up? Not what are you willing to get, not the car or the house or the fame or the popularity. The real question of whether or not you're going to succeed comes down to how much are you willing to sacrifice. See, if you have big goals and aspirations and dreams, and you want to build a big business, you want to build a business that lasts, you want to build a business that employs people, does good for your community, you better believe there's going to be a lot of sacrifice involved. Now look, if you want to just have a $9, $10 an hour job, live paycheck to paycheck, that's not going to require a lot of sacrifice. The level of audacity you have with your goals and your ambitions and the dreams that you have for success directly correlates with how much you're willing to sacrifice. How much you're willing to sacrifice in terms of comfort. The comfort zone is absolutely the easiest place to be. It's where everyone wants to be at. But your ability to sacrifice that pleasure of being in the comfort zone will determine whether or not you become successful and the degree at which you become successful. It's not easy. It's not fun. Giving up your weekends, giving up holidays, giving up evenings. If you're trying to do your side gig on the weekends or at nights around your full-time job, it's not going to be easy, and you're going to have to sacrifice and give up time that would otherwise be spent on yourself and your loved ones. But the degree at which you are willing to sacrifice is the degree at which you will succeed on the goals and the ambitions you have. You're going to have to sacrifice the ease of taking a long break, taking 2-3 weeks off of work. That's not going to happen when you first get started. You're going to have to sacrifice that. You're going to have to sacrifice the ability to be able to clock in at 9, clock out at 5, and stop thinking about work. It's an all-encompassing business venture when you're starting out. You're going to have to give up the fact that you can be buddy-buddy, chum-chum with all the other employees and your coworkers, because now you're the boss and you have to pay the bills. And you're responsible for the decision of the business, and you're going to have to fire people. And that's not easy. That's not fun. You're going to have to give up potentially the stability of having health benefits and a 401k. These are all sacrifices you make. And they've got to be proportionally aligned with what your goals are. If you just want to make $9, $10 an hour, you don't have to give up anything. You don't have to sacrifice. You can go all weekend and blow your paycheck every single weekend. But if you want to get to the place where you can say these words, you've got to sacrifice. Do what others won't, so one day you can do what others can't.